Jehovah Shammah, Shikabla. It is like back. I have some relief from it. Ebega, Musa, Shekimaka. You got the sweat. Ebego, Shakama. Oko. What is going on there? Ebebe, that bafo. Ebe, Okolakasa. And they come long again.
This is the upper area. You see the straightness here. If I put this here, you see how your hand is bending towards the left. This is right.
This is right. This is my right hand now, right?
Yeah, so this is your right hand. So the right hand is more up like this.
Up like this.
Yes, sir. Now we look at the neck. You see it's here. Your arm is more forward. So what happens is when you bend like this to walk,
I'm always sitting here.
You bend like this on the system, it affects the neck. So the adjustment is helping to bring you back into balance, but I'll also give you health tips that would assist so that when you're walking. Because if you come in, we adjust to leave, if you go back to this, it makes it difficult for the body. But if you come in, we adjust and you do your best to be more upright, and it's easier for, even if we don't go from this to this, at least we'll get some curvature back. Okay. Makes sense?
So,
yes.
we are going to bend on this neck now.
Oh Lord.
But this one is not from the fall of recently, yeah? Maybe sitting position was.
But you know, when you fall, there's no limitation to what can be affected.
There's what?
There's no limitation to what will be affected when you fall. Because it's not like you fall. Yes, when you fall, you might hit one area, but the body takes that impact.
It's an impact, yeah.
Yes, sir.
That's what I'm feeling.
You ready, sir?
I'm ready.
I don't even know why I asked you. Me, I knew you were.
Chideke.
You speak Igbo.
That's why I speak stuff. The one guy
Today you speak Igbo.
I will speak in tongues.
You sit here.
I'll sit here.
Face this way. This one is even more excited than anyone else.
Which one's that?
I promise you. They're more excited than the person receiving the adjustment. So try your best to relax. Look straight. Try to relax. Don't be like this way.
Jehovah Shammah, Shikabla. Oski.
Just relax.
The sound though. What? People laughing at
Okay.
you are creating problems.
We'll throw them out so that we'll just play and you laughing. You can watch the video later. Was it painful?
It is like back. I have some relief from it.
Let's see.
But here, well, let's see.
Just here. So let me do one shot for this side. No, leave it. Let's see. When you head sideways, relax the shoulder. Allow your head to move. Now come down.
Ebega, Musa, Shekimaka. Oko, see the guy sweat.
Feels more free.
It's free, huh?
Allow on your side. Not to worry.
So, that's the fish from Odeo. It's nice.
You face me this way.
I should face it like this.
Deep breath in. And out. Inhale. And out. Out on the way. Come to this one.
What do I do here?
Your knees are here. Your stomach down. This one you will feel more, okay?
I feel more pain, yeah?
I don't know if it's pain, but you go enter more. Let's just say it that way. Okay? Your stomach down.
My shakama. Oko. What is going on there? Oh yeah? Wonderful. How do you bring it? Is it the kind of work?
The one that helped me say, what's going on there?
So what do we? Oh, Kaka. Yeah.
Are you okay?
Okay. I should get up?
No, sir.
I should still do more again.
You're saying this until you collect your own adjustments.
Oh man, it's nothing what to do. She's pushing me.
You ready? You ready, sir? Stomach down.
That's so. You have to come and do. Hey. Oh Jesus. It's okay, doctor.
No, there's one more.
This same type?
There's one more. And out. No, inhale. And out.
Like Pasu. Alright. This one on my throat, chest, everywhere. I'm free, eh?
Not yet, we have more. No, this one is done.
Okay.
Come back to this one. This one is the Baba of Demo.
This one is Baba again.
You thought you don't collect Baba already. So this one will help to decompress the spine. Okay? You ready?
How long? Okay.
I'm sure you're ready.
We have started now.
I'm waiting for you.
I'm ready.
No, here.
I like you like this?
No, just.
Okay.
You lie on your back.
I should lie on the back.
Your head up. So head down.
I want to remove my neck.
No, I don't go. I'm going to remove it. Take a deep breath in.
It's not really painful.
No, although painful because you said it too. It's painful. What do you mean?
Don't listen to her. Deep breath in and out. But bring your hand to your chest.
Ekbe. Okolakasa. My neck on long again. I see what the neck on.
You can stand, sir.
Wado.
Not too bad, right?
Before if I do that, I'll feel pain.
If you do that, you feel pain where?
That before.
But now you don't really feel it. So it was worth the shouting.
Yes.
He said yes.
Oh, wow. This is what you do every day.
No, every day. No, me. Every minute.
Every minute.
Yeah, as I put you in the resting area, someone else will come. collect their own. So you rest for like 15 minutes.
I'll come back here.
No.
I don't finish. Thank you, God.
No, wait. You have to rest.
I have to rest. Okay.
Yeah, once you rest, then we'll go
Talk.
talk. Yeah, wait, okay.
Ah.
You don't hear.
I don't have to today.